welcome back to Ari B Mocha Delights channel. And today you guys, we are doing the spicy 2 times spicy noodle challenge. Y'all, for y'all even say anything, yes, I know I'm 2 years and a day short. Okay, 2 years late and a day short. I know already. I know this. So you guys, we're gonna do this challenge, and let me tell y'all something. When stuff really got stuff like this written over, you better stay away from it, because if you don't know what that means, stay away from it. And I was gonna be real fancy and throw me about 2 to 3 shots of this in there. And the only reason I did is because the shit is expired. Excuse my French. The stuff is expired. And I would have been local anyway to do that, but so I'm throwing away, but I just wanted to show y'all I was gonna get real adventurous. Excuse me. But I like spicy food, so spicy food really don't really bother me. So this is 1 packet, 2 times. Excuse me, I'm sorry. You're not supposed to have water or anything, but here's my water on standby. And if I tap out, y'all, I tap out. When you see me drink, I done tapped out if I'm not finished. Excuse me, before I even get started into this, I want to lift up in prayer Kobe Bryant and his daughter died in a plane crash today. And on that plane, I think it was 9 to 13 people total, and every last one of them lost their lives. So please raise his family and everyone else's family that was on that plane up in y'all prayers tonight. And, you know, kiss your people. You never know when it's your last time. So always treat people with the utmost respect and how you would want them to treat you in return. And just, you know, it ain't that serious of whatever you have going on with people. It ain't that serious. So anyway, excuse me, y'all. And I got sinus problems too. So I just wanted to say that. So I'm finna get it started. Look, I got sinus problems. It's finna clear out a whole lot. And I love spicy food, y'all. So we finna get this a good old try. Here we go. Let's go. Let's see if we can eat the whole thing. And I just ate too. I'm full as hell, but shit, we can do it. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that's hot. Oh my God. Y'all. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all are about to see tears. I'm about to start crying. I do a bankhead bounce on it. Hey. Whew. This is hot. Oh my God. Oh my God. Whew. Oh. Almost done. I'm full as hell, so. me, y'all. Oh, oh, y'all. Okay, I gotta get some water. Oh. This water was playing. Y'all, that shit is hot. My mouth is still on fire. It's not enough water. But, oh. Yeah. Oh my. Y'all, I'm gonna have to end this. But I did it. At least I think I did. Oh, it's hot. I'm about to cry. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna holler.